Hey beautiful, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing a classic red. It's just a beautiful set for back to school, very simple, classy, and like I said, just a classic red. I'm just going to be going in with prep, and then I'm using the Apres GelX Kit. So I'm going to use each step from the kit, and then we get into gel application. I just wanted to pop on and say hi. And obviously, I have been away for a couple of months, maybe a few, 2 to 3 months. I'm not sure at this point because this entire summer has been a blur for me. But I did post an updated video or an update video um, right before this one, and I did actually not click the notify in my subscribers feed for that video. So my apologies. Obviously, I would have wanted you guys to know. Um, and I tried to reach out to YouTube. I can't, once I upload the video, I can't change it. So it is there on my channel. And I figured, if anyone's curious, they would go to my channel and see it. So then I tried to post it on my community post. And yeah, I don't know if that would change anything, if it's a loophole or anything, but I felt bad. And I guess, I don't know. Not that everyone is curious, but if you were, you could click on it. And also, since I did recently change my name again, which I know it's so bad to do, you guys, I don't know if I'm going through like, or maybe I have been going through this identity crisis for the past 5 years because I change my name so often. So I don't even know. It's not so often. I think maybe it was like once every like year and a half, maybe for the past 5 years. Not, I mean, it's just been a few times, more than twice, okay? But don't judge me, judge yourself. Um, I'm just kidding, you guys. But I hope you are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that you are still here, and I hope you appreciate me being back. I'm just gonna upload. It's gonna be business as usual. You guys know I just love to share little things here and there about nails, about me. It could be like a mixture of things. I don't know, maybe decor, maybe cooking, maybe shop with me, maybe hauls. Who knows? I'd like to switch it up. I kind of enjoy the freedom of being able to do that, and I hope you guys appreciate that. And then if not, then you can just click on the ones that you see are nail videos, since that's basically what, you know, I had been doing before consistently, even though I don't think that's what I started this channel on. I don't think so. Way back when, I have like private videos of I was trying to be, a vlogger. And then my channel started to grow with like, I think I did a hair video. I don't think you guys know this, but I had done a hair video, and then my husband was on too. I did like a dyeing video. He did a shaving video. Really, really cool, interesting stuff. But my channel didn't start to take off until right before um, COVID. So it was like 2019, 2020. That's when I got monetized, and I started to really, I was like, oh, I can do this. It felt so rewarding because, as a mom before, like as a stay-at-home mom, even though you are contributing, you kind of lose yourself, and I didn't feel like I was doing enough, even though I don't know. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But so yeah, so it was very rewarding, and I'm so grateful for that opportunity and that time. It really helped me get through a really tough time too, because I was going through so much more than you guys can imagine. But yeah, but that was then, and this is now. I've grown a lot. I've learned a lot, and it's made me stronger. And I also, I don't know, you just have to learn how to like set boundaries and know what your triggers are, and just try to do things that are good for you and good for your family, of course. Because I love them, and I appreciate them. But anyways, I always go down this little, I don't know. I don't know what it is, memory lane, who knows, but I'm sure some of you can relate. We all have things that we look back on and you're like, whoa, I went through that, I did that, and I'm here. And, God is good. We always get through it. You just have to pray and make sure that um, you're taking care of yourself. Have faith. That's the thing. That's the key right there. Make sure you pray. Give your problems to God. Give it to God, and just everything will fall in its place. And it's very much mental too. So always understand that you're strong, you're worthy, you're all the things. And I love you. I hope you guys are doing good. And I really do. I just have this, like, right now I have like overwhelming feeling of giving you a hug. I hope you're doing good. And just know that I'm giving you like a little virtual hug. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll leave the link to the video that I posted for the update. If you're interested, you don't need to watch it, obviously, but I'll leave the link in the description box. You know, kind of where I've been. It's just a little glimpse, not even everything. It's not. I don't share everything in my life. Okay, you guys know that I'm pretty private. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This set turned out so cute, you guys. But thank you for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Um, Surround yourself with people that are positive, people that show you that they care, people that show you that they love you. But really, we need to be loving ourselves. So I love me, and you need to love you. You know how they say it takes one person to believe in you and to love you for you to be okay. Well, that person is you. All right. Love you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Hope you liked the video. Bye. All right, so if you actually made it this far through the video, which the video is not very long at all, so you should be here, you get a bonus in this video. It's a hack that I figured out. The prep solution for your tips, the underside of the tips for the Apres kit, I used it. You know how you use isopropyl alcohol to cleanse the nails and you get the white stuff, like the white marks on the tips? Well, you can use this right here and you apply it on the underside and it kind of like seals everything. It was amazing. And we sprayed her hands and she didn't get the marks anymore. So bonus for you. If you made it this far, type bonus in your comment so I know that you did. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the video. And if you're new, I do hope that you join our little YouTube family here. Thank you guys for coming back, for clicking, for being here. These are so cute. Okay.